Elekworld Company Limited, a leading international exporter based in Shenzhen, Guangdong, specializes in supreme electronic components and digital products, with a facility spanning 2,600 square meters and 129 dedicated staff members, including 6 R&D engineers and 15 QA/QC inspectors. Our cooperation company with streamlined production process, featuring advanced machinery such as full laminating machines and heat pressing machines, ensures efficient and high-quality output. We offer quick product development and deep composition services, including material replacement, label, packaging, color, size, logo, and graphic customization. Our engineering team drives continuous innovation to deliver precision-tailored solutions for specific client requirements. Elekworld maintains high-volume supply capabilities, specializing in mobile phone LCDs, components, and power solutions, with annual output supplying wholesalers across North America, Western Europe, and global markets. With over 14 years of industry and export experience, we can ensure our customers with just-in-time delivery and hassle-free after-sales. Besides, Elekworld holds numerous product certifications, including CE, RoHS, FCC, and PSE, demonstrating our commitment to quality and industry standards.